In this video, we're going to be going over how you can grant access to a marketing agency or somebody else who's going to help you with your Google business profile. And to do that, you want to be on your Google business profile. You can Google yourself. This is an old iteration of our agency that we had. What you want to do is come to these three little dots. Go to Business Profile Settings, People and Access, and then you want to hit Add. And then from here, you can add whatever email, and you can make them a manager or an owner. And so let's just do test@gmail.com, and we want to invite them, and you're going to hit Invite. Now, I'm not going to do that because that's not a real person, but that's it. And then that person will have access. Now, you should give manager access in most cases, not owner access. But that's it. Now that person, they can connect your Google Business Profile to third-party tools for integrating into software. They can post on your behalf. They can configure your profile. Basically, they can do most things that you can do other than add and remove users and delete or transfer ownership. So any questions, drop them down in the comments or shoot me a message.